Alright, here we have a 1/43rd scale Dodge Charger. This is the newer body style of the Dodge Charger Pursuit, painted and decaled as a North Carolina State Trooper unit. So take your shirt off and twist it around your head like a helicopter. Some people are going to be like, what the crap that mean? Anyway, this one's a fairly basic setup. 18 volts AC is what this one's going to run at on someone's train power supply. Have just basic flashing headlights, all blue light bar, and flashing tail lights. Again, very basic. It's going to be sitting out in the middle of a train layout, so basically the light is what we're looking for, and that's enough light for the customer, I suppose. Again, it is set up for 18 volts AC. So any of you all wanting a 43rd scale, it can be built that way, or 15 volts. This one will run up to 18. Now I'm going to just run it off a 9-volt battery instead of trying to hook up 2 batteries, so the brightness is not going to be there. But you know what? Let's do it. Let's see if I can do this here. Let's hook these together, and we will. Let's go 18. There we go. A little bit brighter, you can tell the difference there. So again, you got your flashing headlights with this, blue strobe light bar, flashing tail lights, and a little bit of a cold. So anyway, I put the antennas back on, the little plastic ones that come on there. I always seem to break, so I added antennas back there for you, and I will get these shipped out to you tomorrow. You want them express mail so you can have them for the weekend, so I shall do that. Thank you very much for the order, and look forward to doing the next one for you. Peace.